when I found that out, I was like, dang, I am hooked. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by again. On today's video, it's a partnership with Ana Luisa, which Ana Luisa is an everyday luxury jewelry brand, you guys, and they focus on sustainability. All the materials are ethically sourced and 100% recyclable, from their gold to their silver and materials that they send them out. So I am really happy that I'm able to partner with them, and also I found a go-to place to find my jewelry because I am so allergic to jewelry, you guys. Now is going to be my place for jewelry. As you guys see in my videos, I rarely wear any jewelry because I am so allergic to jewelry. If I put some simple earrings from any store, my ears start getting really red and really itchy, like instantly, girl. And on my fingers too as well, they start getting really itchy. A little bit on my neck, not as bad as my ears, but my ears, girl, they're like on fire. So, and also they have the same jewels as Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton. So that is just, when I found that out, I was like, dang, I am hooked. So they also create in small batches. So if you want something, make sure you get it because it's going to be sold out quick. So I will leave you guys all the information down below that you guys need to know. So let's jump right into this video. Each individual jewelry comes inside this cute pouch, so you can use later on to store everything. Ring is called Chloe, and it has a beautiful design, and you can also feel the texture, and it's also gold, 14 golden plated. These earrings are called Elise, and they are 14K golden plated. They are really feminine and elegant, and I love the way that they are a hoop and also have a cubic zirconia, which just makes them stand out, and they are really lightweight as well. This necklace is called Naomi, and the pendant features a natural high-grade pearl. So if you order this, your pearl might look different because it comes from fresh water, so the color might look different, and the shape is really fine and dainty. I just feel like it's so chic and so beautiful, and it goes with anything. I already added my anti-wrinkle treatment oil by Dermaine. As you guys can see, I'm like halfway through. It smells really good. It says it has rosehip, grapeseed oil, vitamin A, and vitamin E, but I applied it all over my skin, and like I told you guys, I love to moisturize before starting with my foundation, because if you don't moisturize, I feel like your skin just needs to be baby and moisturized in order for your makeup application to look good and to last. Since I told you guys I want this look more minimal, I'm going to be using this CC cream by Thrive Cosmetics, which also has SPF 35. Girl, you have to wear your SPF. I swear, I wish I would have worn my SPF during my 20s. I am 33 right now, but the sooner the better for your skin. I am in color medium, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in the back of my hand. I love the way the CC cream makes my skin look so dewy and really healthy and glowy. A little bit goes along the way. You don't have to put that much. And don't forget your neck. Now I'm going to add a little bit of concealer, and for that I'm using this Make It Forever Matte Velvet Skin, and the shade that I'm using is in 3.6, so just a little bit to brighten up that area. So now I'm just going to dust a little bit of this Airspun loose face powder all over my face. I'm going to take a little bit of my Hoola Benefit bronzer, you guys. I love this stuff. You ready? Look at that. And I have a new one, but I love it. So I'm going to take just a little blending brush and applying that on my crease. So to give my eye some dimension. You don't have to, but I love to give my eye dimension because my eyes are just so small. Bringing the eyeshadow outwards because I feel like my eyes always look droopy. Alright, so now that I gave it some dimension, I'm going to add a little bit of color. Maybe a lot, I don't know yet. I'm like winging it out. I have this look in my head, but I'm winging it out. I'm going to be adding this Revlon Color Stay eyeliner, and the shade is a jade color. It's so beautiful. It's green, Since I'm wearing green and I'm wearing gold jewelry, I cannot say that word, I think it'll be perfect. So I'm just gonna do a little wing, not too dramatic, just really simple and minimal, but it's going to be so beautiful. It glides so smoothly. That's what I love about Revlon eyeliner. So now I am using this Revlon Color Stay Micro Hyper Precision Gel Eyeliner just to define my top waterline and also just apply a little bit of the inner corner so it doesn't look really empty. And now for my lashes, I'm going to be using Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions. I'm gonna bring some color back to my face, and I'm gonna use again the Hula Bronzer all over my face. So now I'm adding a little bit of blush, and this one is the Third Base by Rimmel. And with my foundation brush that I started with, I'm just going to pat that on my skin to blend that blush. So now for my lips, I will be using the Buxom Plumping Lip Creams, and this one's all are fall related. This one is the Pumpkin Spice Latte. And here you guys have the final outcome. You guys can switch it up a different color. If you guys ask me, I would add burgundy as well. A nice burgundy lip would go with this look. I will leave you guys the information down below for Ana Luisa because I do have a 10% discount code for you guys. I have a really simple makeup look, but the jewelry really does help to elevate this makeup look, and also it will help to elevate your outfit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also on the comments down below, let me know what's your favorite piece on this website, and you never know, you can have a giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.